इशरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. I am Amir Miraj and I am teaching mathematics to you. This is Federal Board Mathematics and this is exercise 4.1 question number 5. Question number 5 is 9x square plus 4 minus 169y square minus 12x. Now you see it has 4 terms, and whenever we come across 4 terms, first of all we see that this value is the square. The first value 9x square is the square of 3x, and this minus 169y square is also a square of 13y square. So this is also a square, and this 4 is also a square. So we have three square values. First of all, we will rearrange this question that it must be a form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So 9x square, this is 9x square, and we have this minus 12x. So we write minus 12x and plus 4. This is the form of a minus b whole square. The first value is the square and the last value is the square, and we have the negative value in the middle. This is the form of a minus b whole square. So we'll separate this minus 169y square. So in this way we will rearrange this question so that it may be the form of a minus b whole square. And in such questions we use the formula of a square, which is very important. A square minus b square. Now we have two squares. This is first square a square and the second is b square, and we have the negative sign in between them. So this is a very important formula. When we have this situation, a square minus b square, we use a minus b. We write it a minus b or a plus b, or we may write a plus b first of all and a plus b, and then we have a minus b. Now first of all we see the first value is this value. This is we will reshape this value. This is 9x square. We will write 3x whole square, and then we have 4, which is the square of 2, so we write 2 square. Then we have the negative sign minus 2, we'll write the first bracket and then the second bracket, and we write plus here. So we write 3x in the first bracket, 3x here, and 2 in the second bracket, 2 here. So this is 3 4s are 12, we have 12x. So this we have completed the square, that is a minus b whole square. We just reshape this. We will just rewrite it in the form of, so that it may becomes or it may appear as a minus b whole square. And then we have the next one. This is minus 169. This is 169y square, and this is also the square of 13. So we write it minus 13y whole square. Now this is 3x and 3x square and 2x square. So this is of the form of a minus b whole square. We just write 3x and 2 and put the negative sign, because this negative sign with the 2, if the middle term is negative, so we write the negative sign here, and this is whole square. minus we have 13 y whole square. So now this is of the form of a square minus b square. So we write, first of all we will add it or then we will subtract. So what is written inside the bracket, we will write that values. So what is written inside the bracket, we have 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 and plus 13y, and then we have 3x minus 2 plus 13y. So this is the factorization of the question, and this is the final answer. I hope that you have understood this. So thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz. We will meet.